Good morning, everyone. My name is Amit, and I belong to Township. I have completed my graduation. So today this is our podcast. So you can ask me anything.
Okay.
Yes.
Firstly, I would like to ask you, what's your ambition?
What's
What is
your?
your goal?
My goal means my aim is to be a doctor.
Doctor. Okay, so as a doctor, what should I do for become a doctor?
For becoming a doctor, you should firstly, like, if you want to do government MBBS, so you have to prepare for NEET. After clearing that, you will admitted in hospital and medical college. So then study your MBBS.
Okay, so what is the criteria to be a doctor?
Like we have to give a NEET exam. For that, we should be qualified. Like our age should be 17 plus, and for preparing NEET, we should do whatever coaching or what, or you can also prepare by yourself from home. You have to not also to prepare, like if you are good in study, you have done 11th 12th from a percentage high and you know everything, then you can fill the NEET exam. It comes in January, and after that you can give exam. After if you score good marks like 600 plus, then you will get a government college, do your counseling, and then go to college. Yes, other than this, anything?
Okay, now my question. According to you, what is success?
Success is like what we think, like what our goal or aim, whatever. Like our aim is to be a good politician, so we have to work on that. Means we have to do BBA and going university there, becoming Chhatra Neta or whatever. So we have to process in our aim. We have to work on our aim. When you get your aim, then means you are success.
Okay, so according to you, what is dowry system?
Dowry system is good sometimes, like when a father gives his girl, like when a father do his girl's marriage,
When
or
a father gets the daughter married,
when the father gets a daughter marriage, so when he gives to his daughter like chair, sofas, and AC, bike, car, whatever he give to his daughter, means he is giving for his, like my daughter should live, uh, happy. He do not have any problem at his home where he is going. So that type of parents give to their daughter. So dowry system is good sometimes.
Okay, so please tell me about your qualities and skills.
My qualities: I am good listener, and I think and speak, and when like my aim was NEET, so I was very focused about my aim, so I prepared it for that, but my number not came. I was qualified, so I am taking now MBBS in private.
Private. Okay, so why did you choose only MBBS? Because without taking
Because it was-
admission in MBBS college, you also become doctor.
Without doing MBBS, we can't become doctor.
Without MBBS,
No, you can do BMS, BDS, MBBS.
and courses also there.
Yes.
GNM.
GMN is not for doctor, is BSc nursing.
Nursing.
It's for
Yeah,
nursing.
also, but there are many courses.
So if you want to become a doctor, then you should do like BMS, BUMS, BDS, MBBS. After doing these, we became doctor.
Okay, so what does your father do?
My father is businessman, and he runs a college in Mathura,
What is the name of that college?
RBS College.
RBS college. Okay, so according to you, that means your father is owner that
Yes, sir.
college. Okay, so according to you, that college is good for a student or not? Means your father provides all type of facilities and good education system or not?
That is good. Like everyone thinks we have to open college in like cities to earn money, but my father was thinking was different. We had also college in Mathura, in city also, and in town also, like Gauji, or in village also. So everyone should get the education. That was their aim, that everyone should get a education, like in town also. Like town people are not getting education because of there is no college or good college or school. So my father opened in town also, in city also.
Okay, so Mathura is your birthplace.
Yes, Mathura is my birthplace.
So please tell me about Mathura. What is the rituals and custom of Mathura?
Mathura is for like known for Krishna birth, and it also known here to England that it is Lord Krishna Bhumi. So it is like Mathura is very like temple type place. Holy Mathura is a holy place where like in everywhere in Mathura temples are there. So Mathura is not that much developed how like Lucknow or whatever cities are there. It is not like that developed.
Okay. According to you, which is important, money and love?
According to me, first love is important. If relation is not there, like love means you can why you love your brother, father. So love is important. Money comes after love, according to me.
Suppose if money comes to you, then would you deny?
Yes, I will deny. If love and money both came to me, I will first choose love. Like my brother, father, mother, or whatever relation is there.
Okay, so please tell me what is love?
Love means like love is we can do with animal. Like if we keep a dog nearby us for 1 or 2 weeks, we also get together.
How can we identify this is love or not?
When your hearts say he's your, means love is there.
Yeah, so do you know about fake love or true love?
I don't know about fake love. Like I have not do any fake love.
Yeah,
I know
but,
only true love.
Did you see any time like a fake love? And
Hmm.
case also there are too much case about fake love, cheater also.
No, there are no fake love and cheaters
How can you say?
because I have not seen. Like you can give me example, then I will tell you.
There are many cases.
Like
Means in relationship, fake love also there. That means mostly boys cheat with girl and girl also. I'm not talking about only boy. But I want to know what is the symbol of fake love.
love is not fake. Actually, what happened? Like you are telling about, you are talking about a boy and girl. At which age they love? They love above 17, 18. That's not the age of love.
Then what do you think about the Hardik Pandya's divorce?
If people are like two people are there, they love each other, but they are not managing their things. They can't live together. Like if you are saying means separating, means you are saying separating means fake love, right? So like if whenever father and brothers or of any father, two brothers are there, when brothers are separating from each other, means they are not having love.
Are they are love? But I'm asking what is the symbol of fake love?
There is no fake love. Like difficulties comes in life, so we have to separate. If we are not managing both, like we are two peoples will love each other, so have to fight between us, we should separate. This is love, true love.
Okay,
This
so
is-
according to fake love, there is no symbol of fake love.
No, there is no
Why
fake love.
means people, mostly boys and girls also, why they cheat each other?
They are not cheating each other, and they are not also loving each other. Like at 17, a boy knows how to love. They are like interacting towards each other. They are attractive. They are not loving, they are attractive each other.
Okay, so means what is, according to you, what is the correct age that time we can love?
Like when we are in college, or we are done our graduation or whatever. So when we are mature means we can love. when we are mature, we can manage our things. We can like talk to our father. So we can, when we are mature, we can love.
Okay, so how can you judge the people who are in 12th class, 11th class, they are love, they are in relationship, so how can you say that person don't know about the love? Now you told.
So you were telling me that they separate each other, it means fake love. You were telling that to me. But you think like 12th boy loves a girl and they are in relationship for 3 years, 4 years, 5 years, they are in love or relationship. So when a boy asks his father, I want to marry her, father told that you don't have to marry, so they separate from each other. It means not they are fake love, it means they were not mature that time they love. So love should be done when people are mature, so they can ask their father or they can take their own decision.
Okay, so according to you, before love, we should think about we are mature or not.
Yes.
So give a huge round of applause